What's up everybody, my name is Derek. I'm coming at you today with a 2020 Kia Soul EX. I'm doing this a little bit in the beginning just because it's kind of windy outside and I don't want the wind to mess up the sound at all. So yeah, if you guys don't mind, please smash that subscribe button and hit like. It would mean the world to me. And leave a comment of any other cars you would like me to review in the future and I will get a hold of them, I promise you. So before we waste any more time, let's get into the review. Okay guys, so let's get into this review. This is the EX edition of the 2020 Kia Soul. As you can tell with the rims, I'm truly not a fan of them. Maybe if they were black or anything else, I'm just not a fan of them, and they look pretty small too. Other than that, the colorway is pretty nice. Like I don't know what else to say about it. It is nice. I wouldn't get it. I really like the blue that comes on this Kia Soul. That would be the color I would get over it. Other than that, it's not bad though. I love colors on cars. I think they just pop, and I'm not truly a fan of a white car. Anyways though, let's get into this. This car has tons of back room. I'm 6 feet tall, just to give you guys an example. So that chair is set for a 6-foot person. I fit back here. Not like tons of room, but I am 6 feet tall, and my headroom is, it's good enough. So it's gonna be perfect if you have kids or anyone else. And let's see the trunk room. Oh, where's this trunk? Decent amount of trunk space for if you need to carry anything big. The seats do go back down all the way as well to give you that extra storage back there. This review pretty much is just going to give you a main idea on how this car is. It has 132 horsepower. That's more than enough. I've been driving it on the highway for the past couple days, no issues at all. You got tons of little compartments all over the place for all your stuff. You're looking at, this car has around 147 horsepower and 132 foot-pounds of torque. So not the quickest thing, but it will get you up to speeds as fast as you need it. So now let's get into this inside. Inside we have, it's a pretty basic interior, but it does everything you need right. This is the key too. It's actually a really nice key. It's nicer than a lot of other keys I've seen. My biggest pet peeve with this car, I've been in tons of Hondas and other cars, is I'm not a fan of how this interior is. I just feel like there's too much cheap plastics everywhere. Well, this is, it's a little cushion, but everywhere it's just so much plastic, and it's not bad, it's easy to clean, that's the main thing. It's just I wish majority of the material kind of was a little bit more cushioned, but it's okay. You know what you're getting when you get into this car. You're not spending $50,000. It's an amazing car for what you are getting. I just wish this looked a little bit more high-tech. Something else that's cool is, where's my phone? In this little compartment right down here, you do have a wireless charger. That's always useful, always, because all our phones now charge wirelessly, of course. You do have a decent sized glove department to hold any good stuff. Not glove department, armrest. There we go. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, actually we have also drive modes. We have a sport mode and we have normal mode. No eco mode. I don't know why. Maybe it just has an eco mode built into it if you're driving at a normal pace, but other than that, I love it. Normal mode is perfect. The shifts are instantaneous, like you don't notice any lagging behind or anything. That is one of the biggest, that's one of the best things that you can get with a car, because there's so many cars when you're driving them and you want to go on this highway, it just doesn't shift quick enough. Where I really like the way that they did it with this car. drives perfectly. Other than just the little infotainment screen here, I think this car is a great pickup for anyone that's looking for a daily car to haul around your kids, go grocery shopping, go on a little vacation, go anywhere. You can go to the beach. You got so much room in here, and you got room for 5 people. What more can you ask for? And I'm a huge fan of the square look. I've always liked it. Scion used to have like a little cube looking car. I used to love that too. But without wasting any more of your time, I'm gonna get into the review. Now time for my favorite part of the review, the driving review. I do this in POV too, so you guys can get that idea if you would like to drive this car or not. So now let's get into this. I plan on taking this car just a little bit around like the area that I'm in, and then I'll take it on the highway for you guys to see, like I said. The rear view camera on this car too is crystal clear. I'm actually really surprised. I have a friend that has a 2018 Kia Forte. This is worlds better than that 2018. I don't know why, it's only a couple of years, but who knows, it's all good. The driver visibility on this car as well is really good. I would give it probably like an 8 out of 10 for visibility. Like there's no blind spots in here. Just because it's pretty much just a big square with windows. That's all it is. It's one really good benefit with it. And you can even have passengers and you still won't have blind spots. Other than that though, the driving, it's pretty comfortable actually for what it is. I've been in trucks, tons of other cars. This is actually probably one of the most comfortable. You do notice bumps, but they're not harsh by any means. They're good. You won't be upset with this at all. Oh, there's someone walking. Alright, let's go. The highway's just up here, and then we'll rip it. Just before I get onto the highway, I'll pop it in the sport mode. But I want you guys to pay attention as I'm just driving down this road too, how smoothly the gear shifts are. Like, I love it. It's beyond smooth. So happy. I've been in so many other new cars and it's just not even close to as smooth. This one just rolls through it so naturally. The other cars in this category that I would possibly think about getting is, I really like the Subaru Crosstrek. It's a really nice car, and I kind of just have always liked the Subaru all-wheel drive ability. What are you doing? Dumbass. Alright, now I'm gonna pop this onto sport mode, and then you guys will see the shifts. So he was super quick, got me up to speed. There's no problem at all getting on highways. I know a lot of people, I've met so many people, I'll just speak for myself, that have been scared to go on highways because they're scared of that merging in problem. They're just scared that someone's not gonna let them in. But with this car, you really don't have to worry about that. You can merge in relatively really quickly without stomping on the gas to the max. And all in all, you will be happy with this car. I'm just gonna pull over here as soon as I get off the highway, and I'm gonna give you the final impressions. So I'll get back to you guys in a minute. My final thoughts on the Kia Soul EX. Should you get one? Should you maybe pass? I think you should get one. You get the reliability of these cars. Kia's a very reliable car, and they're a great bang for your buck. Their higher end sports car is absolutely amazing at like a $40,000 price range. You can't beat it. With this car, it trickles into here. You really can't beat it with a lot of like the performance, the looks of this car. I love the little hipster look on this car. It has a beautiful LED strip on the front headlights. It just makes this car stand out. There's nothing really like it on the road, and that's why I approve of this car, and I think you should test drive it. There are little things here and there which I definitely think they need to upgrade, like the infotainment and then the gauges. I wish they could be just a tad bit better, but they're livable. They do what they're supposed to do. And really, what more can you ask at that point? So thank you guys for watching my review. Please, 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 if you don't mind, smashing that subscribe button and hitting like, and comment the cars below that you want me to review, and I will make it happen. I promise you. Have an amazing day, guys. Peace.